Hello everyone. Today let's talk about a differential oil seal. This oil seal made of rubber and there is metal. The size is black and there is copy. This size is internal diameter is 3.003 and external diameter is 3.750 and the sink is 0.309 and this oil seal has with a spring. Look there. It has a spring. It has many following features. The first one is organizes at low temperature and more wear resistance, high temperature resistance and with longer service life, good abrasion resistance and good structure, aging resistance and oil leakage prevention, mud pro water and ticking skeleton. This is a differential oil seal applicable to Fuwa 470 heavy truck, and our factory also provides customers the service. Welcome everyone to inquire and order.